after you've recorded your video, you might want to edit it, make some quick changes. So you're going to come over here and click the edit option. And once the video is prepared and ready to go, you'll have a few different options. I'm going to just move myself over here out of the way. So you're going to have over here, you're going to have trim, crop, filter, fine tune. So with trim, there's basically two options. You can either kind of edit the front, the end, or if you want to edit the middle, you would basically take this, you would split it, and then you would sort of tweak this like that. If you wanted to crop, maybe I want to remove the URL bar right there, you could do that pretty easily. If you wanted to filter and maybe do a little bit more of like an Instagram look, something that you want to share and change the feel and look and the design, you can do that. And then on the fine tune, there's lots of options here for you wizards of videos. So hopefully that's helpful. See ya.